If you want to translate your voice recording on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, what you need to do is you need to go to the voice recorder app, and then you want to open the recording that you want to translate. Now, once you are here, you want to tap on the Galaxy AI icon. That should be somewhere over here in the upper right corner, so these stars. And then here we have the translate option, so you can tap here. Now, to be able to actually translate the voice recording, we need to create a transcription first. So let's tap on the transcribe. And of course, the longer the audio is, the longer it's going to take to generate the transcription. And once it is ready, we can tap once again on the Galaxy AI, and then we can choose to translate. So unfortunately, we cannot actually translate the audio, but we can translate the transcription, which is of course the text from the recording. Over here, you can choose the target language, and then you should be able to easily create the transcription. And that's pretty much it. Sorry, the translate actually, not transcription. Leave a like and subscribe.